This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Cohan. Nestled in a serene, private gated community, this stunning one-story single-family home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style. Step inside to discover an open floor plan featuring a spacious living room, a modern kitchen, and a dining area that seamlessly flows into a peaceful backyard retreat. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a versatile den/office, sunroom, and a 2-car garage, this home is thoughtfully designed for both relaxation and functionality. Enjoy premium features like the surround sound Sono System, and rest easy with prewiring for an alarm system and cameras. Take a short stroll to the community clubhouse, where you can unwind and take advantage of the exclusive amenities. This home truly has it all. Come see for yourself. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Cohan at 239-370-2323.